Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where you're gonna learn how to build your project that you use WVtour and to Oculus Quest. And I'm gonna show you here with an example with the help of the demo scene that comes with the WVtour package. So you need the WVtour package and also the Oculus integration. You need these two. I'm gonna put a link to the download link for the Oculus integration. So just download these, drag drop them inside your project, and once they're done importing, go to WVtour folder here, demo scene, and open the tour scene. First thing is you need to delete the camera, also delete the mouse look script inside the scripts folder in the WVtour package. So delete those. Then search in the prefabs for the loading. Here's the loading. Drag drop it. Make sure it's disabled and also uncheck the mesh renderer. Then go to the loader here and drag drop the loading game object into it. After that, we need the OVR camera. So we're gonna search here for OVR camera, and here it is. Just drag drop to the scene. We're gonna also need the OVR controller. Search OVR controller, and here it is. We're gonna drag drop it inside the OVR camera, inside the tracking space here for the left hand anchor and the right hand anchor. So one in the left hand anchor, the second one in the right hand anchor. I'm going to choose for the left hand anchor the L touch, for the right hand anchor the R touch. So now this is the right controller and this is the left controller. After that we need to add the UI helper, so search for UI helper, drag drop to the scene, go inside it to the laser point, enable the line renderer. You can choose here color for the laser pointer. After that, go to the canvas and check the graphic raycast, add OVR raycast, go to the UI helper again, event system. Here in the joystick click button, we need to choose which button in the Oculus controller to trigger the action on. You can choose any button here. I'm just gonna choose the second index trigger, and also here in ray transform, just drag drop the right hand anchor here inside the OVR camera rig. So drag that into the ray transformer. After we finish done that, now we're almost done. Just go to the file, build settings, here switch to Android. So once switching to Android is done, go to player settings. Here XR plugin management, just install XR plugin. You have to wait a little bit. And after the Oculus integration and Oculus plugin is installed, just go here, plug in your Oculus Quest to your PC, your device, refresh, choose your Oculus Quest, and just build and run. And that's how you simply just build your project that you use WVtour into Oculus Quest.